Mama akwaba wofre me adwoa search me mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuan for Muslims are more Italy and more ekase no more safi. Omo mpo bia no ho emfa omo kokomoti enkonkosi ne so. Nemu no Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia eno beto omo abade amano esan so de ne papa bebre abanti no mo de omo nseye no mo edi guide omo ehwe niama yentie ensama mo de
easy for adwuma ni suze poto NPP abani akache fo abai ni de fo abai yesua de ye wimra yedi mra so yesua mra hwe Ghana ni dia wutie mi se wadwi mu do na person wusua de kwa akira join NPP party ye pempenifo a enimu mra di mra hwe no enimu gwase speaker of parliament wagu no hwe 24 hours majority caucus etwem it shows on 24-hour economy ntimi explain na to so Ghana for make say me atem Dr. Bawumia say election we say we need to Ghana politics as it because you can never compare the two. I mean, me compare John Mahama and Dr. Bawumia. Because Dr. Bawumia be vice president for 8 years ni. Ye tin one sem one will be beyond for corruption. When it comes to honesty, he has been the most honest politician I've ever seen in the world. Now, you can him there on top, he is a touch nut. You can ideas of passing and for movement, digitalization, Shaniama Papa will implement it. He has been the best and the most active vice president ever since the history of the Fourth Republic. Nasa or no be our president, hopefully, what failure to extend a common for and I was a deep power, your generators for Ghana and in your light, no yeska empia. Chalk or crown quale patch radio class mumina, chalk and radio. I mean, John Mahama failed or Philip Poto. Yet that's why there man for say in a Rage Hospital. And as Masa, Rage Hospital was a BOT project, built, operate and transfer. It was just even some renovation per asa. Yes, it's a hospital. Many a home, John Mahama can hear one. And the project. When we talk about a whole lot of projects, yes, John Mahama. Then now present for 4 projects in Kwan. John Mahama himself, he has no project. From the boss, former President Atamels, may so rest in peace. The projects now Mahama Jata in Yasi. Ya come and Mahama may say. In any box side, no pay their money, brother. It's no oppressor for baby. Ya the market say, Yen Muni na Christopher, any young Muslims, Alaji, and Krawe made a mouth, Alaji, Tiemio, Oko mouse car, Casache, Women Munina, Monfred Fien Casanchom. Northern region, I was saying to me shoot to 97%.
No, obe winning. Because inshallah.
I do say,
obe winning, inshallah. Me call Ghana ba me who difference bebre.
All right.
Me who difference bebre.
All right.
For digital issue now ma Ghana kweni. There we no expect.
In the month,
no way no. Obia because no ye kweni mu akọ. Enye kire na ekọ. Inti 8 years omo ba no ma things are good.
Yeah, that's it.
Obia we say Ghana esi omusi Ghana
no.
Just said you on pay juma ye.
Thank you.
Ama bibia ni buaba.
Thank you.
Akoda po obia bibia e fine.
Where imam akasa. Imam wo krom ha ene kasa.
Vicenza, Alaji Vicenza.
Alaji Nyamin Shrao. Eti bo mo na fan kra ne ko.
Mi kra be ko.
Mosca, mun kasa. No mun frɛ nnuanu mu ofie. Yes, Northern region is on go so Ghana nyina. 97% should be the minimum also Dr. Bawumia.
Inshallah.
He is incorruptible. He is knowledgeable. He is a fantastic and humble man. Near finding the president, no all tumfa Ghana and Kona nim. Me uncle for Bia, Wabe Felipe, a Basa in Besa. Eti Mida Salaji, thank you for passing by this evening and thank you for giving a full support to Dr. Bawumia and the NPP. Inshallah, we are very fine. 2024 by a battery. You will Palaji on the 9th of December.
We will celebrate
celebration. Baby, I will baby, I must go with chance. So Italy must baby, I will panel. When I'm organizing near Bra, near Berinam, you never sponsor, Yamberinam, near Fire Day, and that Allah has it. Yamisha, thank you for passing through. Thank you.
People he claimed they are not good, and you follow A+. When this boy was stealing Ghana's money, yes, I'll call it stealing. Because me name certificate to be on what? Next, let's say, and penny for man, the crime man left oil, and money benyeska, manager say, or you nipachi on one papa, didn't be yes. Seriously. Because we're born no mama. Because we did campaign nimu ako perform with stage so. Now there shame before ni say. One more artists for now who rally as obi agiska. When they finish, they pay them. Me say, say musician be NDC or MPP. No country me say or come mountain stage, you know, wanya den and yes can okoje here. Boy, Safantini boy, ya no so isabi na chase London boy man hit after sa hit no ontumi na hit bio. De bia na mu sa batemfa. Your friend say Nero X. And you only Afeku, Catherine Afeku, and I campaign 2016. I campaign 2020. And also about Mama Mahama. Only the young one said, man. Na Kim Paluta dear, or never will make a picture. Hey, we'll be unpacking in Munche. That is the type of people they are. That is the type of people they are. You set up an entertainment platform hosted by the beautiful Nanama McBrown. You were beginning to see talents and some young crop way because Sunday been in a live band the book near the idea you hunin in anka crack you discussing entertainment issues. Yeah, who yeah. Hey, a coup for the kunu, a coup for the baby saying na kwasia bull hen or some bull pig no or not to go court case. And I'm pushing Nanama McBrown into more court cases to the point that she couldn't take him no more. So she said, no, enough is enough. Said, Juma said, I'm open someone me here. United Showbiz in the Mendam baby. Oh, Nanama Yari Obeba, Nanama Yari Obeba, Nanama Yari Obeba. It's not here Yari no Yari. She was fed up of the bullshit you were trying to do with Kwame A+ and the rest. How do you give me a panel that has Kwame A+? Has Mr. Logic, has Bulldog, has Miss G, has Ola, has Abeku Santana. These are real political activists. Akwesia Buaje for NDC. You go and put them there, and sadly, the MP that don't the MPP ni bebano, no the Diana Samoaba. Now Oma Cambrofune Gunuswa, but Sister Diana, so yeah, dear, the beer of fighting on. You sit there, set up a program just to destroy people. Now you see what it is. Now, Mama Yasha debut. Minim say men kwana mi hu sa de na. But in Kamia I say, Omwa sebio. Omu dim penifu atem tie. Omu chan throw the same crofo no. Okom hasman no mwega. I don't know, samusuma hu sa maybe. I don't know if you guys have also noticed that. But Obibia it's like Obibia or Penco for Honsem Kikembiano or can Honsemwa. Have you guys noticed? Obibia would do concern Eke Cancro 40 Bombiano or can Hansem Ketu Pepe, Neptune in any. Someone was a medium fee. Why not? Why?